Greetings, Rainbow Vac fans, especially those who've been waiting for a Wade whole house carpet cleaning. So I've got some good news and bad news, and I'll try to be as short as I can about it because it gets pretty boring pretty quick. Bottom line is, as you've seen in my other videos, the fine dust pickup is in the range of, like, say, a few grams. Well, the problem is that I've done extensive testing that's taken me days to go and analyze the way that this thing disperses its water vapor. And guess what? It is pretty consistent, but it's not perfectly consistent. Matter of fact, the total variance I'm getting is about 0.39 ounces, which is roughly around 11 grams. That's the total range. So what that means, statistically speaking, is plus or minus 5.5 grams. Well, guess what? If I'm trying to pick up 3, 4, 5, 6 grams of material, and I have an error of plus or minus 5.5 grams, well, I don't have any way to reliably report that. So I can't. What I can do, the good news is that I can go and extract by an easy filtration method all the fibrous material that this machine can pick up. So that would mean carpet fibers. We have a short-haired boxer named Rosie. We can definitely take a look at her dog hair, and any other dust bunnies or something that would be considered fibrous. So I've already run round number 1 a number of days ago, and I got a result. And now I'm going to run the second and final round tonight. And if the results basically make some kind of sense, then definitely I'm going to go ahead and report them as this is what you see in my carpet in my house on a regular basis. But at this time, there just isn't any easy and reliable way, even with my scales, to go and determine fine dust pickup in the range of just a few grams because of, the water issue that I mentioned earlier. So stay tuned. I'll be right back and we'll take a look at the fibrous pickup. All right, just finished vacuuming and everybody else is in bed, so I'm going to try to be as quiet as possible. So let's see what we managed to pick up, at least from a fibrous standpoint. That's what we have. I don't want to dump it out, but let's see if I can't pick a large portion of it out, and I will strain the rest and then give you a total after it dries tomorrow. There's a blob. There's more of a blob. And I think that's probably the vast majority. Yeah, that's going to be close to it. I will strain the rest of this out, and we have to dry this overnight, and then I can give you an accurate weighing. There. Fun, huh? All right, finished straining. And I got another little blob. So that right there is a total of all the fibrous material that I got. So I need to let that dry, and then we'll weigh it in the morning. Finally, after 2 days of drying the 2 extracted fibrous blobs out, we can take a reading and see what it weighs. It's been raining a lot here, so the relative humidity is close to 60%. Otherwise, I would have had a result a little earlier than this. Alright, so both blobs together, we end up with 5.13 grams. And as I mentioned previously, I don't think it's really practical when trying to pick up just a few grams of fine dust to try to measure that, because the error rates of water dispersion with this particular machine is just far too high. So this is pretty much what I can basically show you is the fibrous material pickup. I think that's about all I can do. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.